Hey everybody, my name is Luke, and this YouTube channel is called Corporate Crash Out. Um, so I quit my job yesterday. I was making about 150K a year with bonuses. I work for a Fortune, I don't know, 50, Fortune 100 company. Um, Not going to talk about it yet. Maybe later down the line when I've been away for longer, I'll talk about that more. But basically, I've been day trading for, I don't know, 4 years, but really just pretty seriously over the last year and a half. The main company that I trade is NVDA. I don't have any inside information about this company. I've never worked for this company. I don't know anything about this company other than what's publicly available. Um, I am just I have my personal account, and that's it. Um, this channel is going to be about me traveling the United States. It's going to be about me trading. It's going to probably be more about boring trading stuff than it is about travel. But it's only day one, so it's going to be pretty boring just in general. Um, my friends at work, my friends, in real life, they were like, "Hey, just make a channel. We want to see you travel." So this is for you guys. Um, I'm in Ohio, so I'm in Ohio. I plan to go west, and just kind of see what's out there, see the United States, see more of it. I've traveled quite a bit in my life. I was in the military, and then I had, work in Virginia, and in D.C., the Pentagon, Quantico, and then I moved back home to the area I got over 10 years ago now. So it's time to kind of get on the road again. It's time to get moving again. I don't really enjoy sitting at home like as long as I've been. My birthday was last week. You can call this a midlife crisis if you want to. I'm 41, but it's not. I just kind of got tired of the way things were where I was. And so this is also kind of like a cool channel, I think, for people who might think that they don't really fit in what they're doing, and maybe want to change. And hopefully this is a channel and I'm a person that you can kind of say like, oh, that guy did a thing that I could do maybe. Hopefully that's what this turns into, because I have not done that thing yet. I'm being very optimistic that I can do that. But the thing that I want to do is I want to just day trade. That's it. I just want to day trade. I want to make I want to make enough money to live and stack up more money so I can make it a little easier on myself. I have investment properties. I have a decent little nest egg. I have a decent 401k to kind of fall back on if things go horrible. But my main kind of source of income is going to be what I do now. It's going to be just day trading. And what I keep saying is like betting on myself and taking the day trading like very seriously. So this is kind of a way, I think, for me to kind of keep myself kind of honest and like do this all the time, do this every day, while also being able to take breaks, explore, see the West, see the Midwest, and all that. So it is 11 o'clock on August 20th. We've been trading all morning, since about, let's see, I probably got up around 8:30, just like kind of looking at pre-market stuff. NASDAQ's way down. This is actually a really good day for me, because the nature of what I do, like what I make my money on, are calls. And the nature of calls are, what you're basically doing is you're a covered call, you're owning the shares of the stock in lots of 100. You take those shares and you kind of put them in the market and say, hey, I will sell these at a later date to anyone as long as you pay this amount. And it's usually higher than what you bought them for. And it's usually higher than what the stock is trading at right now. And to do that, someone pays you a premium. So I use the platform of E-Trade. They pay you a premium based on, obviously, the market, and a few calculations like time until that trade would execute, and the volatility of the stock, the beta. So how volatile is the stock, and what are the chances it could go up or down and kind of hit the number you're looking to hit. So when the value of a stock goes down, the value of that call essentially goes down, which means what I listed it for is now worth more. So if I were to close it early, I would actually make money on that trade. This took me years. This took me a long time to kind of get. So if I'm saying something that sounds advanced, I'm sorry. There's great YouTube videos out there to explain this. I hope I've explained it pretty well here. But basically, bad is good. Good is good if you hold other shares long, which I do. So I keep a portfolio of about around 1,000 NVIDIA shares at any given time, which represents about $160,000 to $180,000, depending on the day, really, because it's down today to about $170,000. So what that means is, a 3% dip for me is a crushing day. But as long as I have options in, I can close those early, take some of that money back, feel good about myself, and kind of live to fight another day. I am long in the stock. I do believe in NVIDIA as a company, even just as an idea. I think AI is very important. It's going to become more important as we kind of grow. And I think the people that make the best chips are going to be kind of important. So they are now the number one, largest, they were the other day, largest company by market cap that there is. So they're over $4 trillion company. So I think everybody kind of agrees with this. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, definitely look into why NVIDIA's market share is so high. I mean, they don't have a lot of great competition, which is another thing we're kind of waiting for. Someday there's going to be a lot of competition for them, and we probably won't see this kind of stuff again. So right now, while they're really like the big dog, and there's a lot of political reasons why they're able to kind of do more right now, I'm going to trade them, and I think you should too. I'm not giving you advice. I'm just saying in general, it's a great company. It's a really good company. I like Jensen Huang. I like the CEO. I like everything I've read about them. I've been following them, for about 4 years, trading them very seriously for the last year and a half. And I went through some pretty decent ups and downs with them already. So the whole point of my account, the whole point of this, may be to kind of just show you what I'm doing and show you me traveling around. But really, I'm trying to make money, and I'm trying to learn more and have fun in the market. I'm probably never going to be a multi-millionaire until I'm really old, and my 401k and my investment properties kind of max out and everything. But hopefully I'll make enough money with this just to live and just to kind of chill. My goal this year, so it's August 20th, for the next 4 months, basically, my goal is pretty steep. I want to give myself some cushion to start next year strong. So I'm up on the year about 39,000 in realized gains. I'd really like to finish the year around 65,000 in realized gains. My goal really is only to make $50,000 a year, because that just covers all the expenses of what I'm trying to do and how I'm trying to live on the road and keep my houses and just in case there's issues. So 50 grand is pretty steep if you think oh, he's only got 170 in, so that's a lot of money. But the nature of what I'm doing, as long as we don't see a giant drop, a 20-30% drop, I should be okay. I should be fine. If not, I've got reserves. It's not a thing I'm going to really stress about too much, especially in the first year. I'm taking it pretty aggressively in the beginning, and then I'm going to probably ease off next year, and just kind of see how things go. But as it stands right now, we're having a great day. Even if it's down, we're having a really good day. I've rattled on for 10 minutes. This has probably gone on way longer than I intended it to go on. So I'm going to get back to trading. But this is the first of like many videos. I'm probably gonna get good at editing and put stuff together, but this is my first one. So this is Corporate Crash Out, and I'm Luke. Thanks. Bye.